Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to show you that how you can cook sweet potato easily at your home in pressure cooker. You can cook this delicious dish very easily in just 5 to 10 minutes. So first of all what you need to do is cut them into pieces and then you have to wash them properly. Wash them properly as you have to remove all the dirt and dust. Wash them 2 to 3 times. See, now after this what you have to do is you have to take a pressure cooker and let it heat for a minute, and then you have to add few drops of water. Only few drops are required, and then add few drops of oil and then shake the cooker well so that the oil can be applied in all the parts of the cooker. Now we are adding our sweet potatoes in this, shaking it well. Now you have to wait approximately 10 minutes. Minimum 2 to 3 whistles are required to make your sweet potatoes soft. Remember, you have to shake your cooker in between 2 to 3 times so that your sweet potatoes can be cooked properly. Now after 10 minutes we are going to check that whether our sweet potatoes are ready or not. You have to remove them very safely from the pressure cooker and then check whether it is ready or not. It is almost ready and you have to remove its skin like this. Now you have to cut them into pieces. After this we are going to add some masalas. First of all we are adding some salt, 1 spoon of salt, some red chili powder, half spoon, now we are going to add some chaat masala, now some lemon juice is required. Now we are adding some tamarind sauce or imli ki chutney, some green chutney, and now you have to mix all these ingredients together. You can do this with the help of a spoon. Now after this transfer it into a bowl or a plate, whichever you like to eat. Now after this add some coriander leaves, some more chaat masala, and your sweet potato is ready to serve. You can also add some more chutneys if you want. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.